Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share Amazon Prime account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to share your Amazon Prime benefits to a family member or your friends, then here is how to do it. Open up your Amazon application on your mobile device. You can also go visit your Amazon.com account through a website and make sure that you are logged in once. You're inside the main homepage of Amazon. Tap on the hamburger menu at the bottom right hand corner and tap on Account tab at the bottom. You'll be able to see this option. Scroll all the way down from this page and tap on Manage Your Household. Scroll down until you see the Manage Prime Membership option. You'll be able to see this kind of an interface. Once you get to this page, tap on Add option in order to add family member or a friend on your Amazon Prime benefits. Simply tap on the button and enter the name on the next page. Type in their email and tap Continue. Now choose what you would like to share with the particular person from the options and want to select, tap on the Continue button. You can also send an invitation. Simply follow the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to add or share a member on your Amazon Prime account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.